Meet the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, a powerhouse of innovation. Today we'll unlock its full potential by diving into Samsung DeX, transforming your smartphone into a versatile desktop experience. Setting up Samsung DeX is straightforward. Here's how you do it. So for a wired connection, connect a USB-C cable to an HDMI adapter from your Galaxy S25 Ultra to a monitor or TV. Ensure your device is unlocked and select Samsung DeX from the notification panel. For a wireless connection, ensure your monitor or TV supports Miracast. On your Galaxy S25 Ultra, swipe down to access the Quick Settings panel and tap the DeX icon. Select your display from the list of available devices. Once connected, your Galaxy S25 Ultra transforms into a desktop-like interface, allowing for seamless multitasking and productivity. With Samsung DeX, boost your productivity by editing documents and spreadsheets using applications like Microsoft Office or Google Workspace, managing emails efficiently with a full-size keyboard and mouse, and participating in video conferences with enhanced clarity on a larger screen. Elevate your gaming experience by playing your favorite Android games on a larger display with responsive controls, or connecting a Bluetooth controller for console-like gameplay. For entertainment, Samsung DeX allows you to stream movies and videos in stunning 4K resolution on a bigger screen. Enjoy immersive audio-visual experiences, making movie nights more enjoyable. Unleash your creativity by editing photos and videos with precision using apps like Adobe Rush, utilizing the large display for detailed design work and content creation. Samsung DeX is available on a range of devices including Galaxy S series starting with the S8 all the way through the S25 series, the Galaxy Note series starting with the Note 8 through the Note 20 series, the Galaxy Z Fold series, starting with the Fold all the way through the current Z Fold 6, and the Galaxy Tab series from the Tab S4 all the way to the Tab A9 Plus. Samsung DeX transforms your Galaxy S25 Ultra into a versatile tool for work and play. Explore its potential and redefine your smartphone experience. And that's just a glimpse of what you can do with Samsung DeX. It's supported on all current Galaxy S and Note series and extends its magic to the Fold and Tab series, letting you get the most out of your device. If you haven't set up Samsung DeX yet, give it a try and unlock the new possibilities. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Click the bell notification so that you're updated when new videos are uploaded. As always, appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you in our next video.